So, you want to hit that magical 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube? Trust me, you're not alone. It feels like everyone is racing to reach that threshold. But let me tell you, it's not just about the numbers, it's about building a community. First off, consistency is key. Uploading regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Think about it. If they know when to expect your content, they're more likely to stick around. Next, focus on quality. Sure, you can churn out videos every day, but if they're not engaging, viewers will click away faster than you can say, subscribe. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and decent editing. You don't need Hollywood-level production, but make it visually appealing. People are more likely to watch longer if they're not distracted by poor visuals or sound. Now, let's talk about content. Find your niche and stick to it. Whether it's cooking, gaming, or DIY projects, hone in on what you love and what your audience loves. And don't forget to optimize your videos. Use catchy titles, eye-catching thumbnails, and relevant tags. This helps your videos get discovered. Engagement is another huge factor. Encourage viewers to comment, like, and share. Respond to comments. It builds a relationship. The more they interact with your content, the more likely they are to return. Lastly, promote your videos on social media. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes content, or even bloopers to draw people in. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also expose you to new audiences. So buckle up, stay patient, and keep creating. The journey to 4,000 hours of watch time is just as important as the destination. Keep pushing, stay authentic, and watch your channel grow.